What does it mean to cordon a Kubernetes node? Think of it like hanging a no vacancy sign on a hotel. Current guests can stay, but no new reservations are allowed. When you cordon a node, you're telling the Kubernetes scheduler to stop placing new pods on that node. The node is marked as unschedulable. But here's the key difference from shutting it down. All existing pods continue running exactly as they were. Nothing gets evicted or restarted. This makes cordoning perfect for preparing a node for maintenance without causing immediate disruption. The command is simple. You run kubectl cordon followed by the node name. The node status immediately changes to scheduling disabled. To reverse it, just run kubectl uncordon with the same node name, and the scheduler will resume placing pods there. When would you use this? The most common scenario is node maintenance. Maybe you need to apply security patches or upgrade the kernel. Cordon the node first, then gracefully migrate workloads to other nodes before performing your maintenance. It's also useful when troubleshooting a flaky node. You prevent new pods from landing on it while you investigate the issue. Now don't confuse cordon with drain. Cordon only blocks new pods. Drain goes further. It both cordons the node and evicts all existing pods, forcing them to reschedule elsewhere. Use cordon when you want a gentle, gradual approach. Use drain when you need to empty the node immediately for replacement or removal. To sum up, cordoning marks a node as unschedulable while existing pods keep running. It's your go-to tool for safe, gradual node maintenance. Practice this skill in Interview Mentor to master Kubernetes operations. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.